ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you once again to the Global Power Platform Bootcamp 2022 Lagos, Nigeria.
For me is number one is success. Yes.
My name is Latifa Bello. I'm a Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. Today was the Global Power Platform Bootcamp 2022.
I see a lot of genuine interest from the participants. They are, being attentive, and the spark in their faces when we talk about the opportunities that Power Platform can provide, both in terms of career development and also entrepreneurship.
The breakout sessions were very beneficial, and I hope that we can have more sessions like this and continue to empower people with knowledge and skills to build our community.
It was really amazing section, and also the part where they were talking about the women in tech and how opportunities in the tech world are available for the women and how the women strive in the tech world.
We are seeing a new dynamism, we are seeing a new thing among the community observer, and we know we are going to see the best out of Nigeria in the nearest future.